Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to create a 3D model of football in SolidWorks. I am going to start from very basics. Uh, First of all, I would like to tell you that a football is actually created from a truncated icosahedron. So first of all, I will show you what is an icosahedron. Uh, First of all, this is an icosahedron. As you can see, it has 20 faces, all equilateral triangle. When we truncate it, it will look like this, and it will then be converted into this shape of football. As you can see, if you want to see the icosahedron in different view, it can be seen like this. So let's start with SolidWorks. New part. Okay, in part modeling, first of all, we will need to create a golden ratio of rectangles for this. Without a golden ratio, we cannot. It will be very difficult to create in icosahedron. So a golden ratio is a very easy way. I will show you that. First of all, create a sphere. Let's use corner rectangle. Right click this line, select midpoint, select origin, vertical. Select this line, select midpoint, press Ctrl and select origin, click horizontal. Now it will be aligned to the center of origin. Okay, so let's make it in rectangle. Construction geometry equal construction geometry. Let's say the dimension is let's say 10 mm. Okay, now create a line from this midpoint to this point. After that, select center point arc and click on this point and mark it as center. Now click on this and move it toward this. Select this arc, convert it to construction geometry. Select this vertical. Now I would like to remove the horizontal midpoint relation with the arc origin. Sorry. Select this point. Now select origin and create a midpoint relation. Now as you can see, it is fully defined. Now select a rectangle and create a rectangle from these corners. Now click smart dimension, click here. As you can see, it is 10 mm and it is 16.18. If you look at the long value, it will be 16.18033989. This ratio 10 is to 16.18 is called golden ratio. It is used in various geometry and it can be found even in natural patterns. If you want to know more about it, you can look about it on Wikipedia. Okay, so now click on surface, click planar surface. One thing I would like to tell you that I created this rectangle exactly center to this origin because I want the whole geometry to be aligned to the origin. This way the whole geometry will have centroid as origin. So let's create a planar surface. Click on isometric. Now right click here, click on direct editing, click here, move copy bodies. It is very useful command. Now select this body, click on copy check. Now click on rotate and rotate it 270 degree, 270 degree. Okay. Now we are going to create another copy. Now rotate it about this angle, 270 degree. Say 90 degree. As you can see, this is the arrangement of golden ratio rectangles. Now click on sketch, 3D sketch, select line. Now we are going to create lines to the each endpoint of the vertices of these rectangles. Be sure to select the endpoints of the rectangle. A different relation will only cause problem, so let's delete it. So this line is wrong. So far it is good. Okay, don't select other vertices from different sides. For example, I don't want to connect this point with this. We have to create equilateral triangles. Okay, I don't know why, but this line is here since SolidWorks 2009. Okay, this looks good. Okay, let's exit sketch. I will hide these surface bodies to show you what the figure. Let's have one plane, top plane, side, and if you look at like this, this figure is called icosahedron. And as I told you earlier, it is made up of all equilateral triangle. Let's measure the edges. 10 mm, 10 mm, 10 mm. It looks good. Okay, so for the next step, I will create surfaces using these lines. First of all, let's create an axis. Symmetric plane, top plane, origin, different symmetry, axis. Okay, now select surfaces, lofted surfaces. Maybe I did something wrong here. This point, put this point. Let's click surfaces, lofted surface, select this edge, okay, this edge, okay, okay, show the 3D sketch, lofted surfaces, select this edge, okay, this edge, okay, this edge, this edge, okay, this edge, this edge, okay, okay. We have to flip the connectors. So I basically created 4 surfaces. Now I will click on circular pattern, select this axis and click on these bodies check, because we want to create the pattern of bodies, not features here. Okay, 5 times, start 5 times, hide the sketch. And as you can see, we have created a 3D model of icosahedron. Now we have to knit it, select all surfaces, create solid, cap control, we don't need it. Okay. As you can see, we have successfully created a 3D model of icosahedron. In next part, I will show you how to create a 3D model of truncated icosahedron. It will be a little trickier than this model, and after that we can easily make a model of football in SolidWorks. I'm actually showing you all these steps because I want you to learn the basic geometry behind this. Okay, so if you find this helpful, please like this video and share this with your friends and subscribe to my channel CAD. Thank you for watching.